If you want to earn free Robux just by walking, here's a secret no one's telling you. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can turn your Sweatcoin stubs into Robux in just a few simple steps. First is to head into your Sweatcoin application and make sure that you have enough amount of Sweatcoins to exchange for the Robux. After checking it, you just need to click the shop button here and then head into the past auctions. Click the see all here and then scroll a little until you find the Robux. So as you can see, the Robux is currently unavailable. To get the Robux, you just need to wait for specific auctions time to appear in the application. And make sure that you have saved enough Sweatcoins ahead of time so you're ready to grab it or grab the deal when it pops out. So for example, this is the Robux. Just click it and then make sure that you have enough Sweatcoins to exchange for that secret offer. Well, that's it. That's how you can get or earn free Robux using Sweatcoin, and thank you for listening.